channel name is 80 for news channel. In a recent development reported by Iranian state television, an accident involving a helicopter, possibly carrying President Ibrahim Raesi, has taken place. Sebastian Usher, an analyst from the BBC World Service specializing in the Middle East, provides insights into the situation. According to information from various Iranian sources and semi-official news agencies, details are still emerging about the incident. Reports suggest that President Ibrahim Raesi was traveling in a convoy of 3 helicopters over East Aban when one helicopter was forced to make a rough landing due to poor weather conditions in the mountainous and wooded area. While it is almost certain that President Ibrahim Raesi and the Iranian foreign minister were on board the affected helicopter, the exact status of the aircraft and its passengers remains unclear. Despite 2 helicopters reportedly reaching their destination safely, the fate of the 3rd helicopter is still unknown, leading to widespread speculation. The use of helicopters for President Ibrahim Raisi's travel is not uncommon, considering his role as the public face of the Iranian government. His extensive travel, whether by helicopter or plane, is part of his regular duties, reflecting his active engagement on the international stage. Sebastian Usher provides these initial insights into the situation, highlighting the ongoing rescue efforts and the lack of official confirmation on the incident. As more information becomes available, updates will be provided on the BBC News website.